Friends, I'm Balaj. Today I'm showing the demo for my Black Eye Galaxy, entire galaxy. I'm using Universal Sandbox as a reference, and I'm using Unity to develop my application, and I'm integrating with Intel RealSense SDK. And today let's start the demo. I'm using Unity for development. Here shows the bunch of my scenes and my materials. I'm using some plugins to add it in order to use the Intel as Real Scene SDK. And let's start with play. Before that, I'm using the creative RealSense 3D gesture camera to recognize my hand movement in order to efficiently navigate inside the galaxy. I'm creating the shell for my Black Eye. I'm showing the output now. Okay, this is my shell of my Black Eye. I am building the galaxy, Milky Way galaxy, M32 and other galaxies, but it's not quite completed. I'm build the environment in order to gesture movement. You're seeing the gesture, the texture of the universal look like. So I'm created the texture first, and I'm building the galaxy. It will it will be displayed on later segments. So this is the demo. Here we're seeing the bunch of stars and everything. This is my background of my galaxy. I'm efficiently developing this, and you will see the background images. It will react my hand movement, hand gesture. It tracks my hand movement, and it shows the output efficiently. I'm using a sandbox in order to developing my galaxy. Here the example. It is a M32 galaxy. Using the sun rotating. I'm using the reference for this one. I'm using a reference for Universal Sandbox in order to build my efficiently. In order to build a efficient Black Eye. So this is my background. I'm builder. I'm developing my Milky Way galaxy and M32 galaxy. It will be finished and uploaded very soon. And you can I'm also using object traction. You can point some galaxy or point some planet or point some object in the galaxy, and you will get the information according to that. It will shows what is the weight, what is the mass, what is the diameter, and what is the sun, what is the family, and it's depend on which galaxy, something like that. It will shows the from the birth to now, now entire galaxies, and I'm trying to finish all the things very coming days, very soon and coming days. Thank you.